यह आज की इस व्यूह रचना का संचालन कर रहा है। इसके ठीक पीछे अपनी चपलता का प्रदर्शन करते हुए आ रहा है ईगल। आधुनिक सर्विलांस और असाधारण विजन से लैस यह ड्रोन कठिन से कठिन परिस्थितियों में हमारी आंखों का काम करता है। इसकी गति और स्पष्टता आज के बदलते भारत का प्रतीक है। और अब दिल थाम लीजिए, हमारे गौरव का प्रतीक, हमारी आन बान शान, भारत का तिरंगा 2 फाइटर ड्रोन के कंधों पर सवार होकर हमारा राष्ट्रीय ध्वज नीले गगन में लहरा रहा है। यह दृश्य हर भारतीय के हृदय में राष्ट्र प्रेम की ज्वाला प्रज्वलित कर रहा है। गरुड़ ड्रोन यह हमारी आत्मनिर्भरता के प्रतीक है। विदिशाई स्पेन और कृषि क्षेत्र में क्रांति लाने वाले ये गरुड़ इस बात का प्रमाण है कि हमारी तकनीकी अब खेतों से लेकर सीमाओं तक हर जगह रक्षक बनकर तैनात है। यह केवल एक प्रदर्शन नहीं, यह एक संदेश है कि भारत अब भविष्य की चुनौतियों के लिए तैयार है। तकनीक, शौर्य और राष्ट्रवाद के इस संगम को सलाम। न तूफान से डरते हैं, न आंधियों से घबराते हैं। न तूफान से डरते हैं, न आंधियों से घबराते हैं। ये जांबाज है जो रास्तों पर अनुशासन का तिरंगा लहराते हैं। सड़क पर अनुशासन और रफ्तार पर इनका नियंत्रण। यह सिर्फ पहिए नहीं घुमाते, यह अनुशासन की मिसाल पेश करते हैं। आज की परेड की सबसे पहली टुकड़ी हमारा गौरव, हमारा अभिमान। जोरदार करतल ध्वनि से स्वागत कीजिए द ट्रैफिक पायलट्स।
Designed to shield the CISF personnel from small arms fire and fire grenade attacks, this precision-engineered vehicle symbolizes agility, strength, and readiness. With 360-degree visibility and a reinforced armored shell, it embodies our zero-compromise approach to security, spearheading every patrol with complete situational awareness.
इसके ठीक बाद आता है रक्षक, जो उच्च दबाव वाले युद्ध क्षेत्रों का चुस्त दुरुस्त और भरोसेमंद वाहन है। चाहे दंगा नियंत्रण की जटिलताओं से निपटना हो या गहन टोली अभियान चलाना हो, रक्षक हमारी अटूट सुरक्षा घेरा का निर्माता है।
Now behold the titan of the fleet. Advancing next is the mighty Casper APC, the undisputed iron shield of a security fleet. This mine-resistant personal carrier stands out for its unparalleled blast protection. Engineered to withstand the harshest threats, the Casper represents the heavy-duty resilience required to protect our most vital assets during all the odds. The mighty Casper APC.
देखिए, परेड में आ रहा है शानदार होम टेंडर, धूप में चमकता हुआ अग्निशमन तकलीफ का असली शूरवीर।
And next in line is the husband tender, a guardian against invisible dangers and a silent sentinel of safety. Purpose-built to respond to hazardous material incidents, the special unit is equipped with cutting-edge detection systems, decontamination showers, and protected gear storage. Bringing up the rear with a thunderous purpose are our security quick reaction teams. of mechanical prowess and human valor. These elite QRTs are truly the tip of the spear. They are the masters of the 120-second response. They are the heralds of swift justice and immediate protection. Through the searing heat of the midday sun and the chilling silence of the midnight watch, this formidable fleet remains in perpetual motion, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Today, we salute these guardians of our industry. We honor their unwavering discipline and their sacred dedication to duty. They do not merely patrol, they protect. They do not merely exist, they endure.
Legal response, capability, terrain expertise and precise mission execution. The team is trained specially to respond swiftly to animal emergencies. Each operation follows a clearly defined protocol. Supporting these teams is a specialized fleet of rescue, medical and logistic vehicles deployed as a part of security preparedness. The fleet includes dedicated nutrition support vehicles, ensuring sustained operation during extended deployments and animal transaction. Following this is the work reflects a commitment. Following this is mobile lab on wheels, enabling real-time diagnostics and on-site medical assessment to support timely decision during the operations. These fleets are designed to ensure continuity of animal care from the first response to safe relocation. Mobile animal ambulances ensure rapid stabilization and safe controlled animal transport during security incidents, disaster response and operational contingencies. Specialized vehicle interiors and layout are planned to minimize stress and prevent secondary injuries and allow continuous monitoring during movements. On-site diagnostics reduce time, enabling early intervention and improving efficiency. Specialized animal vehicles. Specialized elephant response ambulances customized for large animal management features sanitized interiors, soft cushioning, temperature control and operational misting system to support safe long-distance movement. Crane-mounted platform provide heavy recovery capability, supporting the safe handling and evacuation of injured and immobilized large animals during high-risk operations. Every vehicle in the convoy is equipped with GPS tracking, CCTV surveillance and secure radio communication. All movements are coordinated through the Reliance Integrated Operations Center, ensuring real-time situational awareness.
Such as up, heel, sit, stand, salute and down, these dogs demonstrate absolute discipline, focus and responsiveness. This level of obedience ensures controlled movement, operational safety and complete reliability in dynamic security environments. We now shift to explosives and narcotics detection, a critical element to proactive threat prevention. In one of those suitcases, there is something that might pose a threat, something hazardous. And here comes Saiga on duty, alert and focused and intensely driven. a strength lying in an extraordinary sense of smell, capable of isolating minute sense traces even when substances are concealed within the luggage. Notice her movement, purposeful and methodical. She's confident and highly intelligent. Beyond detection, Saiga remains assault ready, able to transition instantly of controlled handler protection. The handler, Akhilesh Singh, is confronted by a simulated threat. And Pepper responds with immediate clarity of purpose. She positions herself firmly between the handler and the threat, establishing a protective barrier while maintaining a complete situational awareness. Observe her posture. And in a minute she turns aggressive, fully responsive to the handler's commands, adjusting his response with precision and discipline. No unnecessary escalation, only controlled presence and professional execution. And this reflects advanced training standards, operational reliability, and the deep foundation of trust between the dog and architecture. The RCCU comprises of 368 operational canines trained in explosive detection, narcotics detection, tracking, patrol duty, assault response, and the complex obstacle navigation. At the forefront is a combat canine responders for assault and battle, the CRAB team, led by Team Commander Mr. Anil Kumar Yadav. 8 operatives marching alongside Belgian Shepherd Malibas and Dutch Shepherd dogs, providing mobility, static close protection, perimeter security, and rapid response during high-risk operations.
Marching with the unit are India's indigenous dog breeds integrated within Reliance Canine Security ecosystem. Naturally intelligent and climate adapted, these breeds enhance operational resilience across diverse Indian conditions. The formation includes Himalayan Mastiffs, Rampur Hounds, Budhol Hounds, Chippepirai, Mumbai, and Rajapalyams, each selected for endurance, alertness, and reliability in security role. Following next is the Reliance Security Band. The rhythmic beats of the drum and the haunting melody of the pipes together create an atmosphere of reverence and national pride. Let us acknowledge the magnificent ensemble with warm round of applause. Welcome to
Can we encourage this parade by waving our tricolors as they pass by?
We represent the horse of RIL, majestic symbol of strength and grace, shaped by disciplined training, purpose, and operational readiness. Their movement is calm yet assured, hand-led with composure that reflects patience, discipline, and refined training. Here are our proud Indian horses, the Marwari, led by Mr. Meg Singh, and the stallions trained by Captain Kuldeep Singh. The Marwari are recognized for their distinctive inward curved ears. It is also known for their arched back, deep chest, strong limbs, and sure-footed stride. Bred on Indian soil, these horses carry more than lineage. They carry memory, resilience, and a quiet intelligence forged through generation of service. Following this contingent are the non-native breed stallions engaged in security roles, led by Mr. Mahendra Singh, trained by Risaldar Major Ashok Singh, ex-61st Cavalry. Each step reflects a partnership built on trust, discipline, and mutual understanding, where the handler and horse move as a single coordinated unit, responsive, composed, and operationally aligned. Coming next is patrolling on indigenous horses, led by Captain Vijendra Singh, mounted on the horse Azad. Perfectly adapted to various landscapes from arid plains to rugged ground, these horses have supported patrol, mobility and sustained presence across history. They offer height, visibility and endurance, enabling controlled movement and calm authority in operational environment. That was Azad, led by Captain Vijayendra Singh.
परेड पथ पर सधे कदमों से चलते ये अश्व अनुशासन, साहस और गति का प्रतीक है। इनकी सवारी और तालमेल हमारे सैन्य परंपराओं की शानदार झलक प्रस्तुत करती है।
And next, to your left, are the non-native horses patrolling units. This non-native horse breed patrolling contingent, led by Risaldar Major Hakim Khan, ex-61st Cavalry, mounted on the horse Black Pearl, demonstrating strength, balance and disciplined movement in security patrol duties. So right now in front of the stage is Major Hakim Khan on Black Pearl. Their imposing stature and steady temperament reinforce vigilance, deterrence and rapid coordination during patrol duties. Chosen for their physical strength and balanced temperament, these horses are suited for extended deployment without fatigue. Their movement allowing security teams to maintain fluid coverage and control the spacing during coordinated operations. Regular conditioning and welfare-focused care ensure consistent performance and reliability over time. Together, they strengthen the mounted capability by adding flexibility, stability, and depth to the overall security framework.
Coming next are the indigenous stallions led by Risaldar Major Intizar Ali, mounted on the horse Rajroot, reflecting confidence, composure and readiness shaped by tradition and training. What you see here is not a spectacle, but capability, reliability shaped by heritage. They represent a living legacy preserved through purpose, sustained through service and strengthened through continuous care. In every coordinated step, you see vigilance, partnership and preparedness, where tradition supports modern readiness. They remain composed and responsive, ready dignified partner that combine heritage with operational relevance. Marching next are camels, both single-humped and double-humped, deployed in specialized terrain roles within the Reliance security framework, supporting security preparedness for the Reliance Green Energy Complex at Kutch. They will strengthen perimeter presence and surveillance across the region's remote, arid and expansive terrain, helping unauthorized movement and ensuring collective security. Leading the hand-led double-humped camel is Mr. Arjun Ram, trained by Mr. Dalla Ram. They ensure security, controlled coverage in where conventional mobility can be challenging. Following them are the mounted single-hump camel, led by Mr. Chatur Singh Bhati, retired Border Security Force, and mounted on the camel Eravat. The long, deliberate stride and measured gait reflect exceptional endurance and strength. Adapted for extended operations, camels support mobility and logistic function in remote, arid and difficult environments. historically relied upon for transport, petrol and supply movement, camel continue to prove the relevance in modern security operations. As they move forward, their calm temperament and resilience reflect patience and stamina. Together, they reinforce layered security preparedness in extreme environments where endurance, reliability, and adaptability are essential.
Bringing the formation together is a vehicular support and staff ambulance contingent, ensuring continuity, readiness, and on-ground sustainability across all operations. These vehicles provide critical mobility, technical support, and medical readiness, enabling every mission to be executed safely and efficiently. Together, this fleet reflects RIL's
Together, create an atmosphere of reverence and national pride. Let us acknowledge this magnificent ensemble with a wonderful round of applause.
जिम्मेदारी और अनुशासन की गरिमा के साथ सिक्योरिटी ऑफिसर मनीषा उप्रेती के नेतृत्व में सलामी मंच की ओर कदम बढ़ाते हुए इन RGSS सुरक्षा अधिकारियों का स्वागत करते हैं। इनके ठीक पीछे सूबेदार अजीत कुमार के नेतृत्व में सुरक्षा दल का यह दस्ता परेड ग्राउंड में दिखाई दे रहा है। इसी दस्ते में शामिल है 5 सेवा मेडल विजेता, 7 कारगिल युद्ध के वीर, 3 चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ कमेंडेशन प्राप्त जवान, 51 यूनाइटेड नेशन मिशन में देश का परचम लहराने वाले सैनिक। उनके कदमों की ताल हमें बताती है जो देश की रक्षा में आगे रहे हैं वहीं आज हमारी सुरक्षा की मजबूत ढाल बने हुए हैं। हंसते हंसते आग लगाकर जलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा।
Next, before the saluting base, is a National Cadet Corps, the Army Wing of KNDRFS, a formidable display of our youth's aspirations. This contingent comprises of a progressive and inspiring combination of young boys and girls. Leading from the front with unwavering grit is Sergeant Kasam Upadhyay. Ladies and gentlemen, united in spirit and step, they represent the vanguard of disciplined leadership and national service. As they draw level with the stage, determination grit on their faces.
इसके ठीक पीछे पीटी ऑफिसर प्रिया करेरा के नेतृत्व में KDRFS NCC नौसेना गर्ल्स विंग।
And as the platoons march past the stage, one cannot fail to notice the impressive KDRFS school band, confidently led by its captain, Ramesh Parekh. We are proud to share that our school band has secured first position at the district level in Jamnagar Kala Mahakumbh Competition 2025. A remarkable achievement and reflects the dedication, discipline and physical excellence.
सरस्वती का पावन मंदिर शुभ संपत्ति तुम्हारी है, तुम में से हर बालक इसका रक्षक और पुजारी है। और अब मंच के सामने पीटी ऑफिसर अनहद बदवा के नेतृत्व में KDRFS NCC नेवी विंग बॉयज मन को झकझोर देने वाले संगीत के ताल पर तेजी से आगे बढ़ते हुए शत शत दीप जला ज्ञान के नवयुग का आह्वान करो, उठो धरा के अमर सपूतो, पुनः नया निर्माण करो।
The next platoon is that of Central Industrial Security Force, a sight to behold in their immaculate regimental uniforms. Led by Sub-Inspector Executive Nisham and the first platoon led by Assistant Sub-Inspector Rishi Samyar. Their flawless timing and erect posture and refined commands reflect the force's core values, integrity, vigilance, and service to nation.
Listen to the beat. We welcome the RGSS ceremonial band. They are the pulse of the parade, turning one step into march and proud into a nation.
सलामी मंच के सामने केंद्रीय औद्योगिक सुरक्षा बल की औपचारिक टुकड़ी
we present how RCCU teams manage large. As you can see, the protesters coming from your right, a high-density environment, and to maintain order and enable events to proceed smoothly, we have the guards with our canine patrol. Their approach grounded in control, communication and prevention, guiding crowd movement safely. The visible presence of RCCU personnel alongside canine unit act as an effective deterrent, encouraging discipline and cooperation. So, the coordinated efforts reflects a balanced crowd management strategy, one that prioritizes safety, respect and restraint while remaining fully prepared to respond when required.
Today's program celebrates two powerful identities of our nation, the strength of women.
Move into a vehicular threat response scenario. This moving vehicle on your left represents an active security risk, confined and unpredictable, and a high pressure situation. So there is a kidnapping going on. And responding to this threat are Mandy and Best. Mandy operating with sharp intensity, fast, decisive and direct, committing fully to a line of engagement. And there she has neutralized the attacker. Both the dogs maintaining awareness of their surroundings while staying tuned to handler commands.
Through classical and folk dances from different states of India, the students of KDRFS will portray the cultural richness of the country and evolving role of women as the torchbearers of tradition and change. We warmly welcome you to invite the artistic presentation by the students of KDRFS. This spectacular show is a result of a month-long journey of dedication by both students and teachers under the able guidance of the principal, Ms. Anvita Thakkar.
यत्र नार्यस्तु पूज्यन्ते रमन्ते तत्र देवताः यत्रैतास्तु न पूज्यन्ते सर्वास्तत्राफलाक्रियाः
वन्दे जयतु जयतु भारतम् जयतु जयतु भारतम् विश्व
विश्व प्रेम की ओर चदरिया, विश्व प्रेम की ओर चदरिया सच्चे सुर में गाता है।
एक सुरीली आशा लेकर सूरज नए उगाता है।
विश्व प्रेम चादर लेके शुद्धे शुद्धे गाना सिंधमिवानिल पुदिय पुंडिडियल आयमाधव तोलिडुदे।
विश्व प्रेमाची ओढून चादर खऱ्या सुरांनी गाता
एक सुनीली आशा लईने सूरज नमो गाळे जे। जागा हुआ भारत है ये, जागा हुआ भारत है ये, जागा हुआ भारत है ये, जागा हुआ भारत है ये। जय जय भारत, जय भारत, वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्, जय भारत।
What a Please put your hands together for Yamini Pandya and her incredible team as they perform to honor the spirit of India.
सारे ग सारे प म ग रे नि रे ग, पानी सारे ग सारे प म रे नि रे सा।
जयतु जयतु भारतम्, जयतु जयतु भारतम्।
विश्व प्रेम की ओर चदरिया सच्चे सुर में गाता है।
एक सुरीली आशा लेकर सूरज नए उगाता है।
जागा हुआ भारत है ये, जागा हुआ भारत है ये, जागा हुआ भारत है ये, जागा हुआ भारत है ये। जय भारत, जय भारत, वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्, जय भारत। श्वास मेरी प्राण मेरा तू ही मेरा मन,
बस तू ही है प्रेम मेरा पहला और प्रथम।
धर्मधात्री कर्मधात्री जन्मधात्री कई,
मानवळु धारकोसी अंकितमौता।
सुर अनेक स्वर अनेक एक है धड़कन,
शब्द सारे भाव सारे हैं तुझे अर्पण।
सुर तेरे स्वर तेरे
कोई तड़कन
शब्द मोर श्रद्धा मोर तुमते अर्पण। प्रेम का मृदंग रंग एकता का तू,
युगों युगों से एक
प्रेमनादनी युग युग गणसाधनेया शिखरनादनी तेरी शान तू महान ज्योति तू किरण
करे तुझे नमन
अभिमान माडवी गडाविळतुनी
निवार भूमि पुण्य पुण्यलुनिदा
जागर हमार भारत है एक जागी उठो भारत सजो हरि जागृतो हम भारत गांधी इंडिया बाळगतो शमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय अंधकार को जीते मन यही प्रार्थना करता भारत विजयी भव मानव जीवन विश्व प्रेम की विश्व प्रेम की जनरिया
जयतु भारत, जयतु गणतंत्र, जयतु मातृशक्ति। विकास के पथ पर अग्रसर होते भारत को विश्व
आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी जान को चाहे चलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी जान को चाहे चलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी छू के देखो दिल मेरा तुम्हें दिल में अपने बदलूंगी पर छेड़ के देखो तो मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी
मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी जिद से जुनू तक है जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी जिद से जुनू तक है जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा आसमान भी कदमों में रुको ना सपनों के तूफानों को रुको ना जज्बों की उड़ानों को रुको ना हाथों के निशानों को आग जैसे बरसाते ये इरादे जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरे से निकलेंगी चिंगारियां ओ जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरे से निकलेंगी चिंगारियां
Ladies and gentlemen, you are not Ready for this?
ਨਾਲੇ ਦਿਲ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਨਾਲੇ ਦਿਲ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਨਾਲ ਰਜੇ ਤੇ ਜੋਗੀ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਜੋਗਣ ਹੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ
Get ready?
Wonderful ladies, you totally own the show. Coming next, they have successfully neutralized various intrusion attempts across the DMD site. Their strength lies in operating silently by conducting missions around the clock, both during the day and night. Capable of military operation across land, sea and air, the Special Squad plays a crucial role in managing security during VVIP event and major event. Today, the Special Squad proudly presents a display of unarmed combat and drill.
चिड़ियों से बाज लड़ाए गिने दांत सिंह शावक के लपटों में हंस हंस कर नाचे हम बेटे हैं भारत के पकड़ मौत के जबड़े हमने भरवाया उससे पानी
beckons us to pursue our goals resolutely and relentlessly. I express my sincere gratitude to our cluster president, Mr. Debanshu Ray, for his benign presence. Heartfelt thanks to the Apex team members of the Reliance Industries Limited, principal, staff and students of KDRFS, the entire Animal Kingdom team and all senior and junior officials of RIL. Reliance Security team and the Township Administration need a special mention for the execution and arrangement of this entire event. I gratefully acknowledge the contribution of the corporate services, the traffic department, the Reliance Security team, the electrical department, the horticulture department, the CISF personnel and all the performing teams. A very special thanks to the RSSC team for cooperation extended and the help rendered. Thank you everyone. God bless and enjoy your day ahead. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
समापन की बेला में कभी एक थे हम हुए आज इतने नहीं तब डरे तो भला अब डरेंगे